Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today I bring you more accessories for your diorama and your model, whatever you want to do. So this is a street fruit shop. It's 1/35 scale, and as you can see right here on the box art, you got nice things. You got refrigerator, and umbrellas, and chairs. Fruits, okay, lots of fruits like peaches and bananas and melon. Okay, you got lots of things, and let's see, it comes with this. I really don't know, so let's open this. And oh yeah, it brings nice, really nice. So we got here a chair. It's a really awesome chair. I like it. So we got these ones. It's for the pieces for the umbrella, and we got here 3 sprues for these ones. We got here, yeah, the palette, nicely done, and the wood grain is really good. And we got here the base for the umbrella, and you can see the level of details is really nice. The wood grain on the palette, so awesome. More things we got here, more things. Okay, another one, more pieces. So you just need to see on the instructions. Now we got here the refrigerator. I like it. Now we got here some fruits you're going to put on the stand, and this clear part is for the refrigerator. Alright, and more fruits. The bananas, yeah, the banana is right here. Really nice. I like it a lot. We got this one for, you can put the banner from the refrigerator. Okay, mojitos, yeah, for drinks. So let's see the instructions. Alright, we got here the fruits to put, and you can see all the set. So the set, it's really good, really good. I like a lot of this because you can do a really good thing with your imagination. You can see the stand for the fruits, to put the fruits there. You can see the palette right here, the umbrella, and this is in blank, this one, because it brings the canopy of the umbrella. And you can see right here the boxes for the fruit. Alright, you can see how to fold everyone, and like this too, so it's really good. Alright, you can make a little weathering because this is it's new ones, or you can go whatever you want to do. The color charts we got here, and we came with Vallejo, Mr. Color, Life Color, TBA, AK, Mission Models, Ataque, and Emomic Jimenez. And of course the color name if you use another brand. Really nice, these ones. Alright, so this is a brand new kit from Miniart, and they are still doing lots of awesome things. Okay, for me, one of the best brands in the market, without a doubt. Alright, street fruit shop. So it's very good. You can see this is kind of Middle East, so you can use your imagination for wherever you want. You can see the fruits because you can see if it's sells more on Middle East. So if you have any questions, don't have any trouble, so just ask me, and if I know, of course, I'm going to tell you an answer. Alright, so click on subscribe and on the bell to receive all my things. And one more time, thank you very much for watching my videos, and bye guys.